Welcome to part 3 of our Java Collections Mastery Series. Today we are focusing on set implementations and their concurrency characteristics. We'll compare HashSet, SynchronizedSet, and CopyOnWriteArraySet to understand when to use each one for building reliable concurrent applications. Understanding these three sets will give you the tools to choose the right one based on your specific threading and performance requirements. Let's begin our exploration. Let's start with HashSet, the most commonly used set implementation in Java. HashSet provides a collection that contains no duplicate elements backed by HashMap. It's designed for single-threaded applications where you need fast membership testing and duplicate elimination. You will find HashSet used for removing duplicates from collections, checking if an element exists in a collection, and performing mathematical set operations like union and intersection. Now let's look under the hood at how HashSet works. HashSet is actually a thin wrapper around HashMap. When you create a hash set, internally it creates a hash map where elements you add become the keys and all values are set to constant dummy object called present. This design means hash set inherits all the characteristics of hash map, including its performance characteristics and iteration behavior. The backing hash map handles all the hashing, collision resolution, and resizing operations. Understanding hash set's iteration characteristics is important. Hash set makes no guarantee about iteration order of its elements. While you might notice that elements often appear in a consistent order during development, this order is implementation dependent and can change between Java versions or even between different runs of the same program. The order is determined by the hash codes of the elements and the current capacity of backing hash map. This is a crucial point to remember. Never depend on hash set iteration order in your application logic. Now let's see hash set in action. Here is typical hash set usage in single threaded context. We create hash set, add some elements including null and attempt to add a duplicate. The duplicate is ignored and iteration shows the elements in an unpredictable order. Now let's move to adding thread safety to sets. Collections.SynchronizedSet. It provides a wrapper that adds synchronization to any set implementation. This approach offers flexibility because you can add thread safety to existing set implementations like hash set, linked hash set, or tree set. The wrapper works by synchronizing every method call on mutex object, providing thread safety at the method level while preserving the underlying set's characteristics. However, this thread safety comes with important caveat. Synchronized set achieves thread safety by wrapping each method call in a synchronized block. This means individual operations like add, remove, and contents are thread safe when called in isolation. However, compound operations that involves multiple method calls are not automatically thread safe. For example, checking if an element exists, and then adding it if it doesn't, requires external synchronization to prevent race conditions between threads. Iteration requires special attention. Like all synchronized collections, synchronized set exhibit fail fast iteration behavior and requires explicit client side synchronization during iteration. You must manually synchronize on the returned set during iteration to prevent concurrent modification exception and ensure thread set traversal. This is a common source of bugs because developers often assume the synchronized wrapper makes everything thread safe, including iteration. Here is how to properly use synchronized set. With synchronized set, we must explicitly synchronize during iteration. The synchronized block ensures no other thread modifies the set while we iterate. This pattern is essential for thread step iteration with synchronized collections. Now let's explore a more sophisticated thread step alternative. Copy on write array set. It represents a specialized thread step set implementation optimized for read heavy scenarios with infrequent modifications. It's backed by copy on write array list and uses copy on write strategy where modifications create a fresh copy of the underlying array. This design makes it ideal for observer patterns, listener registries, and configuration sets that are read frequently but changed rarely. Let's examine its unique internal design. Unlike HashSet, which uses a hash table, copy on write array set is backed by an array. When you add or remove elements, the entire array is copied to a new array with the modification applied. This approach has significant performance implications. Write operations are expensive because they require copying the entire array, but read operations are fast and don't require synchronization. This trade-off makes sense only when reads vastly outnumber writes. This design affects iteration behavior significantly. Copy on write array set features weakly consistent snapshot iterators, which is fundamentally different from the fail fast iterators of hash set and synchronized set. When you create an iterator, it captures a snapshot of the array at that moment. Even if other threads modify the set during iteration, your iterator continues to work with its snapshot. This means iterations never throw concurrent modification exception and require no external synchronization. Here is copy on write array set in action. Copy on write array set simplifies thread step operations. Here, iteration requires no external synchronization because iterators work on a snapshot. This makes it ideal for scenarios like event listener management, where you need to iterate while other threads may be adding or removing listeners. However, we must understand performance characteristics. HashSet offers OOP 1 average time for add, remove, and contents operation, making it the performance champion for single-threaded scenarios. Synchronized set has same OOP 1 operations but adds synchronization overhead. which can become significant under high contention. The copy on write strategy creates important performance trade-off for copy on write array set. Add and remove operations are open because they require copying the entire array. Even more importantly, the contents operation is also open because it must perform a linear search through the array. For small sets or sets where contents is rarely called, this may be acceptable. For large sets or frequent contents checks, this can be a performance bottleneck. The right choice depends entirely on your specific access patterns. Now, let's examine a common pitfall with synchronized set. This example shows a typical mistake developers make with synchronized collections. The developer correctly synchronizes individual operation but fails to synchronize the compound operation. Between the contents check and add operation, another thread could add the same element, leading to either a duplicate if the underlying set allows it or unexpected behavior. Hence, keep in mind to synchronize entire compound operation. Let's look at another common issue with iteration. Concurrent modification exception occurs when a collection structural modification count changes unexpectedly during iteration. HashSet maintains a mod count field that increments on each structural modification. Iterators store this value when created and compare it during operations. If the value don't match, iterator throws concurrent modification exception to prevent undefined behavior. This is a fail fast mechanism designed to catch bugs early. Here is a concrete example of this problem. This code demonstrates classic concurrent modification exception scenario. We attempt to remove an element directly from set while iterating, which modifies the underlying collection without updating the iterator's state. The next iteration detects the inconsistency and throws this exception. Now let's examine the correct approach. The iterator's remove method provides safe modification pattern. It removes the current element from the underlying set while updating the iterator's state to maintain consistency. This approach works for single threaded scenarios with all the set implementations that support remove operations. For concurrent scenarios, copy on write array set offers elegant solutions. Copy on write array set enables truly concurrent modification patterns. In this event listener example, we can safely iterate through the listeners while other threads register or unregister listeners. Because copy on write array set uses snapshot iterators, the iteration continues with its snapshot while modifications create a new array that becomes visible to subsequent iterations. However, we must consider an important alternative, that is ConcurrentHashMap.newKeySet. For many concurrent scenarios, ConcurrentHashMap.newKeySet method provides a better alternative to copy on write array set. It creates a set backed by concurrent hash map, offering O((1) average time for operations while maintaining thread safety. Isn't that a clear win? Now let's discuss critical best practices. First, understand that CopyOnWriteArraySet has open contents operations, which makes it unsuitable for large sets with frequent membership tests. Second, always synchronize the entire iteration block when using synchronized collections. Individual method synchronization doesn't protect iteration sequences. Third, consider using ConcurrentHashMap.newKeySet as an alternative to CopyOnWriteArraySet for larger concurrent sets where open operations are important. Be careful with mutable objects in set. When using mutable objects in HashSet, you must be careful not to modify them in a way that affects their hash code after they have been added to the set. If an object's hash code changes while it's in the set may not be able to find it later and iteration may behave unexpectedly. This is subtle bug that can be difficult to diagnose. Consider ordering requirements. If you need predictable iteration order, consider linked hash set, which maintains insertion order, or tree set, which provides sorted order. Both can be made thread safe using collections.synchronizedSet. For concurrent sorted sets, concurrent skip list set provides thread safe sorted operations with OOP login performance. Finally, let's review key takeaways. Each set implementation serves specific needs in concurrent Java programming. HashSet provides maximum performance for single thread access with OAuth1 operations. Synchronized set adds thread safety to existing sets with client managed iteration synchronization. Copy on write array set offers lock free reads and iteration for read heavy scenarios but with OAuth and modification cost. And consider alternative like concurrent method for better performance in concurrent scenarios. The right choice depends on your specific requirements for thread safety, performance, set size, and access patterns. Always analyze your actual usage patterns rather than defaulting to familiar choices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more technical content.